Hello children, welcome to today's art class. Welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is methods and materials for nature crown. Our topic is methods and materials for nature crown. Nature crown are great because you really don't need a lot of materials to create them. Here is a summary of what you will need to make your nature crown. Here is a summary of what you will need to make your nature crown. Materials: cardstock or paper fits to the child's head. White liquid glue. Natural materials found outside. Method: measure the paper or cardstock to the child's head. Make sure you leave a bit of extra so you can staple or tape the crown together later. Go outside and collect natural items. This might include stick. This might include stick, small rock, leaves, flowers, feathers, etc. If you happen to gather too many sticks, you can use them for a fun stick family color. If you gather too many leaves, you will definitely want to sneak in some mats with your art and try this nature crown. Make sure the paper or cardstock is large enough to wrap around the child's head. Cardstock is good because it is strong enough to hold all sorts of things glued to it. You need some scissors, white liquid glue, and some nature items. You may prefer to collect the items yourself and then have the kids glue them onto their crown. But it's much more fun for kids to get out themselves and find their own flowers, leaves, rock, and anything else that looks interesting. Glue the items found outside on the crown and allow them to dry. Staple or tape the crown together and wear it proudly. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.